Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new to Python or just getting started with programming, this video is for you. Today we're going to cover the basic variable, data types, input and output in Python. Let's start with the very first thing you need to know when programming, variables. Now, x is the name of my variable or box, and inside it is the number 10. Simple, right? We can insert different types of things in a variable. They are called data types. The most common types are integers, floats, strings, and boolean. Here's an example of integer. Integers are basically whole numbers like 10, minus 5, 42, and here's an example of float. Floats are basically decimal numbers like 3.14, 0.5. It can also be negative decimal numbers like minus 2.7. And here's an example of a string. And strings are like texts and words like hello world. Here's an example of booleans. Booleans can be either true or false. These are the most common data types in Python. There are many other data types you can use later, but for now let's keep it simple. Now let's talk about getting information from user and show things on the screen. First we have input. You can use input function to ask the user for something. For example, okay, what this code does is it asks the user for their name and then it saves it in the name variable. Next we can use print to show things to the user like this. Now if you run this code, if you run this code, it asks for your name and then it writes hello Max. And that's a basic intro to Python. You learn to use variables, work with data types, ask for input and show outputs. These are the building blocks of programming, and now you have a solid start. In the next video we'll dive deeper into more advanced concepts. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.